Hello and welcome to Leo's packing video. Slightly different to Ivy's in that I'm taking more bags, as you can see. In here we have a totally legit rip and dip tote bag inside a standard Kanken, and will be my basic day bag. I'm taking the larger backpack that I've got, mainly because the last time we did a trip to London, we ended up carting around a lot of stuff on our last day, and hopefully this way everything will fit inside. I do intend to buy a lot at Wing Yip when we get there, so that will come in handy for that. Elsewhere we have another couple of bags which hold the power cables and whatnot. I have a power bank here inside a padded bag. Here is my collection of power cables, which is why people always ask Ivy, why don't you have power cables? Answer, because I have them all. Indeed, here is another lot. This time it also contains a 4-slot USB plug as well, so that will come in handy. A pen, because you need to write things on occasion. Earplugs, because it might be quiet, it might be noisy, you never know. Passport. We don't need a passport to go to London. That is not required yet, unless there's independence. Ooh. Reason for this is that we're actually going to go to an embassy to get a visa. I'm not telling you where because that would spoil the surprise, and where's the fun in that? I'm also taking a couple of books because I read and read and read and read far too quickly at times, and so one should do me the way there, one should do me the way back, or that's the plan at any rate. There is a really nifty Dance with the Dead pin that I picked up when we went and saw them back in February for our friend Ben, so he's got that to look forward to. There's also, secret. I'm not telling you what it is, because if he sees this it'll spoil the surprise, but it's also for Ben. I have a totally badass Boba Fett face cloth that Ivy very kindly snaked for me when we were in Japan the time before last from Oi Oi. A Party Cannon t-shirt, because Party Cannon. I'm only taking one t-shirt because I'll be wearing a long sleeve t-shirt and a short sleeve t-shirt, so I'll have enough to sort of do the wash one, wear one, which is funnily enough the exact same with the 3 pairs of pants and 3 pairs of socks. There's also some Lush Key Lime Pie lip balm, because lip balm, if I have to explain this then I don't know what else to say. There's also some blister plasters in this packet, just in case I end up with sore feet, because we'll probably do a lot of walking, and a pair of shorts, believe it or not, because I'm going to be not entirely sure what the weather's like, so I'll wear breeks, take shorts, and depending on how the day goes, depends on what I wear. In here is a food bag. What's in the food bag, you may ask? I'm not going to tell you, because I'm mean. Mwahahahahahaha. Actually no, the reason that I'm not telling you is because what's in the food bag is going to be a separate video on Patreon, so if you want to see what's in the food bag, you need to head on over to Patreon to help support us. It'd be very nice, we'd very much appreciate it, honest. So I'll hand that back over to Ivy. So yeah, this is what I'm taking. It actually looks like quite a lot, but once I do a better job of packing it, it won't be quite so bad. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Patreon. And thank you so much for watching.